rotor magnets, avoiding one of the highest machine cost contributors. Rotor losses can be significantly reduced by adopting copper square cage instead of aluminum. Drive cycle efficiency of well-designed induction machine can challenge that of an IPM machines in some applications. Magnetic field strength in machine can be lowered via starter current to reduce losses under light load condition, valuable for extended high speed queries. Absence of magnets reduces induction machines vulnerability to damage caused by short circuit faults. Disadvantage of this motor: induction machines are generally not well situated to high pole numbers, making them less desirable for lower speed direct drive applications. Constant power speed range is more limited than IPM machines, increasing constant power speed ratio. Require reduced leakage reactance, generating additional PWM losses. Rotor losses are generated whenever torque being produces problem hot rotor is occurred. This is a disadvantage of this motor. Application is AC induction motor application. EV manufacture two-wheeler and four-wheeler. For example, two-wheeler of M-Flux motors, four-wheeler Telsa motors, then Mahindra Scorpio, Supro, then Tata one is Tiger and Tiago. Permanent magnets BLDC motor. This is a wheel type and another gearbox type mounting. Permanent magnet BLDC motor. The rotor of permanent magnet BLDC motor is made of mostly commonly neodymium iron boron. This material is neodymium iron boron. The stator is provided to trapezoidal wave supply from DC sources through an inverter. As there are no winding in the rotor, there is a no rotor copper loss, which makes to more efficient motor. This motor is also lighter, smaller, better at dissipating heat as it is generated in the stator. It is more reliable because it has more torque density and specific power density. BLDCs are useful for use in small cars requiring a maximum 60 watt power. There are two basic BLDC motor configurations: inner rotor BLDC motor and outer rotor BLDC motor. Torque speed characteristics of permanent magnet BLDC motor. Characteristics of permanent magnet BLDC motor. The torque remains constant at the maximum right from start, but start to decrease exponentially for speed over the base speed. The often characteristics of BLDC motor is same as required characteristics, so it best option for electric vehicle. So motor speed and motor torque graph. Advantages of permanent magnet BLDC motor for UV applications. Since the magnetic field is excited by high energy permanent magnet, the overall weight and volume can significantly reduce the high power density. No copper loss on rotor because absence of rotor winding, so overall efficiency is high compared to induction motor. Because of lower electromechanical time constant for rotor motor, can accelerate and decelerate easily that give better reliability on EV. On EV. Any queries? Disadvantage of this BLDC motor is short constant power range, decreased torque when increase in speed. Torque is decreased when speed is increased. This is a disadvantage of this motor. High cost because of permanent magnet uses. The application of this motor is brushless DC motor are being used in the lightweight motor vehicle, three-wheeler. Example of this electric scooters, Ola Electric, Ather Energy scooters, upcoming TVS Ciron. Now it is run iQube, TVS iQube. Then 22 motors, Hero Electric, Neo Electric scooters, Yamaha. Example of electric motorcycle में 4 to 5 types. Chinese manufacturer are there. Then e-rickshaw and auto rickshaw. Then second one is permanent magnet synchronous motor, PMSM motor. Permanent magnet synchronous motor or this motor same as a permanent magnet BLDC motor by a construction point of view. Permanent magnet synchronous motor has two types of configuration, inner rotor and outer rotor. Both motor carry permanent magnet on rotor side and torque is produced by increasing extraction of PM and commutated phase. Mostly stator winding of PMSM is disrupted winding. The driving signal for PMSM motor is sinusoidal, so PMSM is designed to have a sinusoidal back EMF. So the rotor is similar to sinusoidal flux profile. Advantage of this motor. Main advantage of this motor is low torque ripple compared to BLDC motor because of sinusoidal current coming. High torque and better performance than the other motor. So efficiency of PMSM is high, less noisily, high power and torque density, high performance at low and high speed. So it is best suitable for EV application. Smooth operation and easy control. This is a bigger advantage of this motor. The disadvantage of this motor. Cost of permanent magnets is the most important questions for the both PMSM and permanent magnet. Rare earth elements such as samarium, cobalt and neodymium boron are practically expensive. Magnets, neodymium boron, iron are the most powerful but also the most expensive. Many large opposing magneto drives and high temperature can demagnetize the magnets. Disadvantage of this motor. Third one is permanent magnet synchronous motor. It's called as EMSM motor. It is also being used by many EV manufacturers for their high performance electric motorcycle, electric cars and electric buses. For example of this motorcycle, Energia Motors, Brahmo influences. Then the electric cars is Nissan, Chevy, upcoming hypercar. In the example of electric buses, Tata Ultra Urban 69/612. Last one is switched reluctance motor. It's called as SRM motors. There is no permanent magnet or other external existence in a SRM. Both the stator and rotor have silent cores. Constructed windings are usually used for the stator. When stator coils are energized, variable reluctance is set up the air gap between the stator and the rotor. Rotor tends to move position of at least reluctance, thus causing production of torque. This is rarely used on motor. Torque speed characteristic of SR motor. Switched reluctance motor has characteristics like high starting torque, wide speed range, and good inert fault tolerance, capability which makes it suitable for electric vehicle application. This is a graph. Advantages of this switched reluctance motor: complete elimination of all rotor magnets and current conductors, enabling rugged rotors and capable of achieving high speed, high temperature on operation. Simplicity of stator and rotor construction helps to reduce manufacturing cost. SR machine rotors typically have low moments of inertia compared to other machine types, improving acceleration deceleration characteristics. Wide speed range of constant power operation. SRM has high efficiency during high speed operation. Disadvantage of this reluctance motor: high torque ripple compared to other machine. Variable torque nature results in noise and vibration. Large amplitude of magnetic flux variation in rotor cores can lead to high rotor losses at high speed. SR machine performance depends on accurate sensing of rotor position and tight control of current burst timing. So control strategy of motors should well designed and accurate. Control characteristics are very non-linear due to high magnetic saturation in high torque density of SR motors. This is the main disadvantage of this reluctance motor. So power density. Power density is capacity to weight propulsion of any electric motor and is normally computed utilizing the motor peak power. Power density for an motor is acquired by subdividing the peak power in kW and mass. Measurement of unit power density is measuring in kW per kg. Permanent motor acquire most power density, and that is because of high power density permanent magnets. Induction motor and SRM have lower peak power density, that is 50 kW per 50 kg and 50 kW per 22 kg. Respectively, comparing with 50 kW per 30 kg for PMSM and BLDC and PSM have similar power density. This is shown figure below graph. Induction motor, BLDC motor, permanent magnet motor and SRM motor. The next one is motor efficiency. The motor efficiency provide us connection among electrical and mechanical unit. Every single electric motor is generally instead to work at maximum efficiency at major output. It is observed that PMSM gives the best energy efficiency 93%, followed by BLDC motor 91%. BLDC motor have the most elevated efficiency in light of and the non-appearance of rotor mole losses. The induction being next, and then the SRM have less efficient because torque ripple, vibration and noise. PMSM is 93% efficiency. The reliability. Induction motor is more reliable because of wide uses, permissible efficiency and low cost of controller compared to PMSM and BLDC motor. Also, induction motor has its advantage of speed control by manually field control. The induction motor is more reliable for EV applications. SRM is the second reliable motor for EV application because of simple rugged construction, simple control, and the cost effective motor. The main drawback of this SRM is the production of vibration and torque ripple. PMSM and BLDC are sharply less reliable for EV application because of difficult control and difficult to maintain of PM motors. Otherwise, PMSM and BLDC can be best choice of EV application. Reliable factor. Induction motor is greater 90%, BLDC is 85%, then PMSM is 86 and SRM is 87.